Hi, it's Cindy from the Shinipix studio. Today I want to talk about Put Down the Phone in Ohm, which is not a neon butterfly line. It's from the TOK line, TOK. So I've designed some pieces, again, that have a voice, even when you feel you don't. And so I've already explained about this pair, this setting. I do prefer that this pair goes together. You've got the gray neutral, you've got the gray one half, and then the chakra color on the other half. This one is root, base root, chakra number one, and it's Put Down the Phone in Ohm. There are pants. There is a shirt that matches this one that you can wear with any other pieces. They do not have to go together in sets. So I'm going to show you the Vishuddha, which is where I need work on finding my voice. And this is the Vishuddha color. Where are you going? It's backwards for me. Okay, so here we have the shirt that says Put Down the Phone in Ohm. And this one is of regular length. The shirts come in both a long length and a regular length. And regular would be your average size woman, about 5'6", 5'7", and it would fall probably right below the hip line. The long has probably an extra 2 inches on it. So if you're taller, or if you have the top part of your body, the torso is longer proportion than the rest. So on the pants, you can see that we also have an Ohm for me, which is on the inside here. There. And then an Ohm for you and your friends, the audience. We've got the Ohm on the pant on the one side, and they're all my designs. Very proud of this one. And we've got the gray leg, the neutral leg, and then we've got the chakra color leg. Again, Vishuddha, the voice, the throat, chakra, air, light. So this is the Put Down the Phone and Ohm leg. And just to show you, on the back of these shirts is just one large Ohm. There we go. So a lot of thought and design went into this. Kind of brings forth my graphic design background. So I'm very happy with the TOK line. Where'd you go? There it is, right there. Very happy with them. Namaste.